Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find wallet address on Zerion wallet. If you want to find your wallet address on Zerion wallet, then you can follow these simple steps. First, open your Zerion wallet application and make sure that you're inside the wallet. Once you're in the main home screen, click on the wallet under portfolio that you'd like to find the wallet address from. Now, you'll then be able to see this kind of an interface. Click on the receive button and your wallet address and the QR code will be displayed on the screen. Anyone can scan this QR code and send funds on your wallet. You can also copy this wallet address displayed at the bottom by tapping on this copy button and share the wallet address to someone you want to receive a crypto from. That is how you can easily find your wallet address on Zerion wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.